Hi viewers, let's look about Bollinger Band strategy for trading. Bollinger Band is a oscillator which helps us to find about the buy and sell position of a stock. It also tells about the market volatility. Bollinger Band consists of three bands. One is upper band, other one is lower band, and third one is 20-day simple moving average. Whenever a Bollinger Band touches the lower band area, it's known as a oversold. Oversold. You can go for a buy position. You can go for a buy position only if it didn't break previous low. Just draw a trend line for marking a previous low. In this case, you can see that this is the previous low. Here is the in this case it is the. If you are going for a trade here, you should check whether it didn't cross the previous low. Didn't cross of a double confirmation. You can go for a buy signal and there is a skews of Bollinger Band. Whenever a Bollinger Band skews, there will be a strong upward or a downward trend. Okay. In this case, you can check that it didn't cross previous low. Go for a buy. Okay. I'll show you next for a downward trend. Yeah, here. I am drawing a trend line for previous high. Okay. Whenever it touches the top band of a Bollinger Band, you can go for a sell position. Okay, this is a overbought area. So you can go for a sell. To confirm that, I drawn a trend line marking previous high. This is the previous high. I'm going to mark a trend line. This is the previous high. I'm going to mark a trend line and here cues came. See this cues. So wait whether the candle opens above this trend line. A strong bullish candle. In this case, candle didn't opens above this. So you can go for a sell. Okay. See this. Candle touches the top band, but the candle didn't cross this high. Wait for the candle, but it didn't candle cross the high. It touches below and again retraced. Try to retrace, but can't able to cross the median line. Again, there is the downfall. If you can't able to sell in this position, just wait. Let the candle retracement happen, pullback happens. What happened here? Candle pull back to the median, but it didn't cross. So you can go for a sell position here too. For those who didn't take sell position here, you can take a sell position here. Okay, it didn't cross the previous high or it didn't cross the medium line. So you can go for a sell position. See here. I am going to draw a previous high. Okay, previous high. This is my previous high. What happened? The candle tries to cross the previous high, but didn't able to cross the previous high. So it there is a bearish movement. Let's take another one. See this. I'm going to draw a trend line. This is the previous high. This is previous high trend line, and this is the previous low trend line. This is the previous low and this is the previous low. In this case, this is the skews happen. The width of the higher band and the lower band is less. In this case, just wait for the confirmation for the candle. Either it should break the previous high or it should break the previous low. Okay, don't try to trade in this. You can take trade only for swing trading. Okay, just go for a swing trade only. Don't go for a just swing trade is possible here. Check here. Only swing trade. Just wait, and this case what happened? Bollinger Band small skews happen, but it didn't break the previous lows. So strong bullish movement. And the candle also consolidate around this region. Strong consolidation around this also. So there is a strong upward movement. Check here. What happened? Skews happened. Just wait. I am going to draw a previous high trend line. This is previous high. This is previous high. Okay. I'm going to draw a previous low. This may be the previous low. Okay. Either it should break this. Either it should break this. Just a moment. This is previous. Previous low. I break the previous low is the previous low. October there is strong upward trend consolidation. Just wait. It consolidate around the median and strong upward movement. Again, it didn't break the previous high. See this? didn't break the previous high. So double confirmation, there will be a strong upward trend. You can go for a buy. In this case, let's look away. In this case, I am going to draw previous high. This is the previous high. I'm going to draw previous low. This is the previous low. Okay, Pre previous high, previous low. In this case, what happened? Can Bollinger Bands cues happen, and it tried to cross previous high, but it didn't happen, and just crosses median and bearish movement. Okay, next also it tried to cross median line, but it didn't happen, so again bearish. In this case, let's check. This is the previous high. This is the previous low. This is previous high, trend line, and previous low. This is the previous low, previous high. In this cases, what happened? Come touches the lower Bollinger band. You can go for a buy position here. Okay. After that, it gone upwards, but it touches previous high and then consolidate around the median region, but it didn't came back to lower band. So confirmation, you can go for a buy position if it breaks the previous high. This is the previous high, previous high. Both break previous high, but again retrace and consolidate around previous and strong upward. Just check here. This is the previous high. This is the previous lows. I'm going to, sorry. Okay. Okay. Previous high. This is the previous high. This is the previous lows. Okay. You draw this previous lows. In this case, what happened? It Bollinger Bands uses. So there will be a breakout on the either side, on a bearish or bullish or a bearish. For confirmation, what happened? It didn't cross us above the previous high trend line. So you can go for a bearish signal. So easily you can sell. See here. This is the previous low. Okay. What happened here? I guess there is strong bearish candle, but consolidation happened. Consolidation around, but it didn't cross the previous low. So, and double confirmation. What is that? Bollinger Bands cues happens and strong uptrend. Check here. what I am drawing, this is the previous high. I am drawing from previous high. Okay, this is the previous high. Okay, it tried to cross the previous high but didn't able to cross the previous high, so bearish. Tried to consolidate another strong but didn't able to cross the median, so bearish movement. Check here, this is the previous high. Okay, previous high. What happened here? Bollinger Band skews. Just wait. Try whether it will cross above the previous high, but it didn't. So bearish here too. This is the previous high, and this is the previous. I'm going to draw the previous low. In this case, let's check. Here Bollinger Band skews us and form a bullish trend. Morning itself, it opened high, and also the candle crosses outside this upper band. So there will be a small retracement. Okay, and it breaks previous day low. Check previous low. This is the previous low. So what happened? Crosses the median and just for a bearish trend. Check here. In this condition, check here what happened. Don't try to trade. Just wait. Just draw a previous day high line and just draw previous low. This is the previous low, high and low. Take trade only when it crosses above previous day high, previous day low. In this case, it crosses above previous low, so go for a bearish. Check here. Previous high, I mark previous high and low, previous low. Okay, this is previous high and this is previous low. What happened here? It didn't able to cross previous high, so it tried many times. Check here, double bottom, double confirmation. Okay, so bearish. Check here, this is the low. Okay, there is a strong bearish movement. After that, it consolidated. Just wait for and and here Bollinger Band excuses. So double confirmation and therefore a strong bullish movement. Okay, so here I am going to mark previous low and previous high. Okay, this is the previous high, and this is previous low. What happened here? Bollinger Band skews. Okay, but it didn't cross below this median or previous low, so bullish. This is how we can easily make profit using Bollinger Band and trend lines. Thank you for watching.